Hello everyone, and welcome to fan rescue video number 1. And what we have here is a Room Essentials table fan. I rescued this a few years ago from back when I lived in my papa's house with my mom before she moved into this house. I rescued it on the street. Someone on the end of the street was throwing this away. In this fan, I did not find the blades. It was just the motor and the cage. And the cage does not stay on because this is broken off. There's only 2 of these, and this is stiff and not spinning. So I won't be able to show you this running at all. But it does still work. It does work, but I'd have to oil up this motor and find new blades for it. But yeah, so this cage does not stay on very well at all. It's very broken. Yeah, but I found this like a few years ago. Someone was throwing it away. I don't know what happened to the blades. I looked in the trash can and I did not find the blades or the cap that secures the blades on either. I don't know what happened to them. They maybe used them for something else and decided to throw the rest of this away. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video, and there'll be more comings. So stay tuned.